forms. Different modes of representation can be used to describe the same relationship. We can use words to describe how we can calculate the output value for any given input value. Or we can use a formula or an equation to represent the relationship that links the input and output values. Or we could use a flow diagram to describe what operation is applied to any input value to generate an output. Or we can use a table to represent the input and output values as ordered pairs. All of these are different modes of representing the same relationship. Let's take an example. In words, we describe the relationship between the input and output values as the input is first squared, then multiplied by 3, and 2 is subtracted from the result. The input values are integers ranging from -3 to 1. Let's interpret the words and represent the rule mathematically in the form of an equation. Let's represent input values as x and output values as y. X would give us -3, -2, -1, 0, 1. Squaring the input gives us x squared. It is then multiplied by 3. That gives us 3x squared. Since it is then decreased by 2, we subtract 2 from 3x squared. Therefore, y equals 3x squared minus 2. Let's represent the input values and the rule using a flow diagram. To calculate the output values, we apply the rule to the given input values. When x equals -3, y equals 3 times -3 the whole squared minus 2 equals 3 times 9 minus 2 equals 25. When x is equals to -2, y equals 3 times -2 the whole squared minus 2 equals 3 times 4 minus 2 equals 10. When x equals -1, y equals 3 times -1 the whole squared minus 2 equals 3 times 1 minus 2 equals 1. When x equals 0, y equals 3 times 0 the whole squared minus 2 equals 3 times 0 minus 2 equals -2. When x equals 1, y equals 3 times 1 the whole squared minus 2 equals 3 times 1 minus 2 equals 1. Let's represent the input values and output values as ordered pairs. The input value x and the output value y forms an ordered pair. So, -3 and 25 forms an ordered pair. Likewise, -2 and 10 forms another ordered pair, and so on.
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel. Can't wait that long? Ask Masky to help you and let the math finally start mathing.